Hey guys, this is Spicy Taco, and I'm going to show you how to get custom ringtones on text-free. This is a remake of the last video I did because the audio and the visual were just crappy. So, let's go. You're going to need to go back into iFile, okay? And then you're going to search. You're going to search ringtones, okay? Make sure you're in hierarchy, not directory, because you're not going to get anything if you're in directory. Okay, so click ringtones, and then I'm going to choose, let's see, let's do Super Bass, Nicki Minaj. Okay, so go to edit, and where'd Super Bass go? And then you're gonna check it, okay? So it's checked. Now, you're gonna click this clipboard at the bottom, okay? Click it. And then you're gonna press copy link, and then you're done, okay? Okay, so after that, you get back all the way out. Go to mobile, and then applications. And then search, you're gonna search text free. And then just wait. Click textfree.app, okay? Okay, once you're in there, you're gonna click the clipboard and then, oop, wrong one, my bad. Click edit, then clipboard, and then press paste. Copying Nicki Minaj. Okay, Nicki Minaj. Now you're gonna go down to your tones. It's gonna be in alphabetical order, so go down to tones. Okay, and then click on any tone you want. So I'm gonna click tone bass beats, okay? So you're just gonna click that arrow, and then you're gonna copy this whole thing. You're gonna copy it, and then delete it. Name it anything else you want. Okay? Just like that. Okay, done. And then now you're gonna go to the tone you downloaded, which is, mine is Nicki Minaj Super Bass. Okay, see? So you're gonna click it. Now you're going to erase this whole name, Nicki Minaj Super Bass. Erase it. And then double click into that name area, and then press paste. Tone bass beats. It's gonna say the thing you copied earlier, okay? And click done. And then it's all finished, just like that. So you go into your text free. If it opens. I don't need you guys to see my conversations. Okay, so let's go into texting tones and find that tone I used. Okay, where is it? If I can find it. Bass beats. And there you go. And there you go. So, thank you for watching, and sorry for my last video. It was really crappy. Thank you.